So as you can see, this bolt right here, this is what holds the speed sensor in, and on this one it actually snapped off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy right here, and if you put it over it, you can see the top of the stud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there and weld it to the I'm going to weld the stud to the nut, and then just take a wrench and turn it off, because this is aluminum and that's steel. So when I weld the steel, it's not going to be able to stick to the aluminum. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, tack this on, and then get this guy out so we can actually get these on. Alright, so as you can see, remember the shiny bolt? Well, we welded, filled up that hole with weld, and just put a new head on it. So very simple and easy, and I hope that helps you in the future. If it did, or it does, leave a thumbs up, and until next time.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing, because we have so much great stuff planned. And I mean, the future can only get better. And just always remember, guys, there is no substitute for hard work. So if you want something, go out and get it. And until next time, peace.